Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail security guide. For everyone that have Gmail app or Gmail account or Google account, consider to stay tuned to this video and see best Gmail security you can enable right now in your Google account. Most time, many of us are using our Google account to have access to different websites and the apps, and as a result of that, not all these sites are fully secure. In this video, I will show you how to remove and disconnect some of the third-party apps that are having access to your Gmail account or your Google account without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on the profile icon, provided that you have already logged in your Gmail account into your Google Chrome browser. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on Manage Your Google Account. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is go ahead and click on Third-Party Connection. Click on that. Then you are here. You have about, as at the time of making this video, I have about 13 total apps and services that are having access to my Google account. What you want to do right here is to scroll down right here. So you have 11 sign in with Google. Then you have 4 assets. So click on here and then you can choose any account access options right here. And you have details of them right here. These are real apps on website that are having access to your Google account or your Gmail account. You can remove them in order to secure your Gmail or Google account. So for instance, if I want to disassociate myself from this particular Google AI Studio, click on the app. It might be any app or website. Click on it and scroll down right here. They have access to, they connect to my Google Drive, and at the same time, they see, edit, create, and delete all of my Google Drive files right here. So what you want to do right here is to delete all connection that you have with Google AI Studio. It might be any apps or websites from your own end. So go ahead and click on here to open this pop-up. So here we go. Go ahead and click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, they will be totally removed from your Google account or your Gmail account, and then you don't have access to track details about your Google activities and your Gmail activities. By the time we refresh this page right here, you'll find out that this particular app here is no longer exists under the access right here. If I click on the access, then I click on any account access right here, it's no longer available right here. You can review as many as possible as our website that are having access to your Google account or your Gmail account in this section right here on your PC, and remove them as much as possible. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to secure and protect your Gmail account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.